Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I got a plus verb. The word gotta is incorrect grammatically. It is only a spoken form. Its equivalent would be have got to. In the spoken form the word have is dropped and got to is shortened to gotta. I got a plus क्रिया. शब्द gotta व्याकरणिक रूप से गलत है. ये केवल बोलचाल का रूप है. इसका समकक्ष होगा have got to. बोले गए रूप में शब्द have को हटा दिया जाता है और got to को छोटा करके gotta कर दिया जाता है. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुने और दोहराएं. I got to think about it. I got to learn to accept that. I've got to leave in 10 minutes. I got to protect it from rain. I've got to go right now. I have got to try harder at school. I got to be a little more lenient. I got to move to a bigger house. I got to show some sympathy. I got to study hard for the exam. I've got to clean my house today. I got to go to the ATM to deposit money. I got to go to the ATM to withdraw money. I got to manage my money. I got to stay here. I've got to learn more about the laws. I've got to tell my parents I'll be late. I got to keep this plant in direct sunlight. I got to go to the bathroom. I got to impress my boss. I've got to be on time to work. I got to obey the rules. I've got to catch the bus.